That looks so weird. Oh my god.
All right, what's up, guys? So we got Zach here with being the white guy. Right now we are filming part of the Subaru commercial, so I figured we'd do a little bit behind the scenes because this commercial is gonna be really funny behind the scenes.
Adventure is out there, but the question is, how will you get there? Introducing our used 1998 Subaru Forester.
But basically the idea we have is like a big part of Subaru and their commercials is like, being outdoorsy, being able to go anywhere, being able to camp. They're huge advertising point. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna put a bonfire in the back of the car. So like we're literally kind of gonna indirectly set the car on fire. Zach's laughing in the background right here.
And note to self, the car has a full tank of gas.
It does, but we're being safe about this. We may have a fire extinguisher laying around, but it's OSHA. It's OSHA certified, right? We're good.
Yeah, but
yeah,
I forgot where my dad told me where the fire
extinguisher was. We got a tub of water, so yeah, that's basically the gist of it. Let's see what we can do. I wanted to vlog this because like this is some stupid shit.
I just want to note this. We do have a fire extinguisher. It's just I forgot where my dad told me where it's at. I don't remember where the it's at.
Alright.
Oh wait, dolphin noise. That's that. That wasn't a dolphin noise at all.
So, oh, it's the goat noise now, by the way.
Oh, what the?
That's kind of sketchy. Okay, let's see. It's really sketchy. I don't know if I trust that. It's all right. It's not great. I don't know if I trust that. Honest. What's happening, guys? So if you guys remember, that clip you just saw was from the Subaru commercial that we shot about, what was like a month ago? Man, time flies. There's a scene in that commercial where we literally made a bonfire inside. So I forgot my lav mic at home, so hopefully it's synced up. What's happening, y'all? So does that sound better than what's going on, guys, or what's up, guys? I feel like we say what's up, guys, too much. I don't know. I feel like that's just the go-to YouTube video, stereotypical go-to word. I don't know. What's happening, y'all, has a little bit more taste to it, a little bit more culture, a little bit more Texas culture to it. Anyways, that clip was from the Subaru commercial that we shot about a month ago. Yeah, so I kind of wanted to make a video talking about it, that one clip in particular. But basically, the whole idea of the Subaru commercial, it was basically an inspiration from one big video on YouTube, but there was also a couple other people that were doing used car commercials. So I was like, hey, like, my idea was, how good of a commercial can we make with the equipment that we have? Being the Canon G7X, a Phantom 3 drone, a Phantom 3 Pro drone. I don't think we used the GoPro. I don't know. But if we did, the GoPro Session 5. So literally, at the time, like when all the equipment was brand new, everything cost less than, I know, $2,000. So, and now when you take into consideration depreciation of everything is worth less than $1,000. So basically, how can we make the best commercial possible with the best quality possible with equipment that's worth under $1,000? I think we did a pretty good job. It was really fun. I know I said it took us 3 months of shooting. It wasn't 3 months of shooting. It was more like 3 days of shooting. And then the rest of the period was spent, oh, that's awkward, was spent waiting. He's angry. We wanted to portray the adventuristic part of the Subaru. Obviously, Subaru as a car company really wants their, slogan to be go anywhere. We wanted to recreate that in a funny way. So obviously, Subaru advertises camping a lot. Like a Subaru is a perfect car to take camping. So I was like, Zach, let's put a campfire in the back of the car. And he looks at me, he's like, dude, that's actually a pretty good idea. Now, don't try this at home, kids. This was not smart. It was pretty funny, but it was not smart. Actually, that's my entire childhood. But it was not smart. But basically what we did is we got I believe we started with the spare tire. So we took the spare tire and then this was Zach's idea. He put an empty dog food bag, which by the way is still probably flammable, but it was somewhat not flammable. So that's why we used it, I guess.
So the first thing you really need to not catch your whole car on fire, theoretically, dog food bag. We're just gonna go just like that.
It's getting worse and worse the more I talk about it.
Just like that. Then.
Stupid. All right, it's now the sand.
Now the sand. This is the first time I've actually ever purposely put sand in one of my vehicles. Or try to light it on fire.
That looks like brown sugar, dude.
You want to taste it?
Probably not. I mean, it does look like brown sugar, though.
Okay, it does look like brown sugar, not gonna lie. So, there's no real, like, best way of doing this. You just rip the bag open and
Hope for the best.
Yeah. Okay, honestly, I think we might have used a little bit too much sand.
Dumbass.
That's okay, we can put it right there. Okay, note to self, don't put that much sand in your fire pit.
All right, hey, that's good. What's next, Zach?
Most important part, leaves. A lot of them. I need a 5-gallon bucket worth a lot. Oh God.
Maybe not that much.
Nah.
Dude, that's like, now we need like the sticks for like to make the, you know, like the cannon, like the teepee.
Oh yeah, we need like a little teepee going on.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Let's do a little pause and then...
Cool. All right, so as you can see, we got the campfire set up. Traditional, you know, little teepee looking campfire setup. So we have a bucket of water right here for
safety.
And then for additional safety, just to prove that we are OSHA certified and whatnot, we have this fire extinguisher from 1999. So I haven't really used one of these before, so I'm gonna go ahead and read. It looks pretty straightforward.
I'm assuming you just pull the pin and just start.
You pull the pin and then you
spraying.
Do some calculus and then you pull the handle and.
No, you pull the pin, you put it between your legs and start spraying.
Yeah. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. So we're gonna put that right next to the water.
Yeah, that's a good spot.
And we probably should note that we're doing this in dry grass too.
Yeah.
All right.
So I kind of wish I had a blanket right now. So I'm gonna undo your little teepee real quick. Pour the stuff right down there in the middle. Okay, I really have no idea how this is gonna work, but we got some flammable goodies here. I'm gonna try to pour because I don't know if this is. Oh, that's a lot.
Dude, you stuffed it. All right.
There we go.
That looks so bad. How flammable is that?
I don't know. I never used this stuff.
I thought it was gonna be way worse. All right. There we go.
All right, we're getting somewhere. I really hope this tire doesn't blow up.
Okay. What we watch out for is the carpet above. So watch the header above, right? Yeah. All right. I'm trying to get some. I'm gonna work with the shots real quick.
Okay.
It's like act cool. We need a safety word.
I really don't know if this tire's gonna blow or not, bro.
Dude, why would it? It's flat, isn't it? No, it's not.
Oh, it's not. My nuts are.
Coffee.
That looks so weird. Oh my God.
All right.
Okay, this is. Oh, keep it going.
Extinguish it or no?
No, keep it going. Oh, now that light works.
Here.
Ah. Okay. Yep. It's working.
I think I got the shot.
It's getting kind of warm in here.
Watch the carpet.
Okay. Yep. Okay.
Tell me when.
I don't know. Take the camera.
No.
Take the.
Get the shot.
Get the. Okay. The camera might get wet though. Oh God. Oh God.
You good?
Oh.
We're good.
Oh.
Jesus Christ. That wasn't that bad. Oh my God.
Dude, it's so warm in here. Take the It's so
wet?
No.
Oh, dude.
It's so warm in here, dude.
Holy shit.
We should have kept that going. But dude, that was
This right here is why I love Texas. I have no idea if I'm supposed to be here either, so I'll try to get this done. So yeah, I know lately we haven't been uploading much recently. Doing the content we do, it takes a lot of money. It really does. And unfortunately, YouTube isn't self-sustainable, at least for us. And growing up, our parents never blessed us with a lemonade stand, unfortunately. There's gonna be times, unfortunately, where we're not posting like for a week or so, and that's just because we're occupied with what we're doing. I have a part-time job. I also am part of a drone company startup. We're trying to get it off the ground, no pun intended. And Zach currently is working, he's working construction for a family member right now, and he's in school for firefighting. So, and honestly, Zach's schedule is more full than mine is. Like his is filled to the brim with either, if he's not working, he's at school. If he's not at school, he's working. So Zach is even less available than I am. And to make matters even worse, if you look at it from a geographic standpoint, Zach is like 45 minutes away from where I live, and vice versa. And to make it worse, the Jeep does not get good gas mileage. So basically, over the past 2 months, we haven't hung out that much. So unfortunately, that's the reason why, mainly, that we just haven't been posting very much. If we were bringing in enough money to, sustain it, just doing videos, then of course we would. I think anybody would for the most part. So for us, where we want to be, it's not a question of if, it's a question of when. And no one knows, we don't know how long it's going to take to get to where we want to be, but we'll get there eventually. So if you guys haven't noticed, one big thing about Novice Garage, about this channel, is we're really young. We're all either 19, or Zach just turned 20 actually. I'm 19, Zach's 20, everyone else is 19 for the most part. We're really young, and we haven't had much time to build our careers up. Therefore, we don't have much money. And as a channel, we're the only ones funding what we put out. And when you're making videos where you buy cheap cars, they still cost $500, $600, and you're tearing them up, it costs a lot of money, it really does. Why do you have to die? Why? On a complete side note, if you guys want to follow me on social media, my Instagram will be right there. My YouTube will be right there, although I don't post to it very much. I don't post to either of those really. I can change that. Follow me on Snapchat. I'll drop it right here. I post to Snapchat almost every day. Anyways, we'll see you guys next time, hopefully with some more car content. I'm hoping within the next week. Actually, tomorrow, we should be doing something. Don't know what, but this whole thing just takes patience. Thank you guys so much for your patience with us, and we're trying to be patient as well until we finally get to that point where YouTube is self-sustainable. But until then, we'll see y'all next time. Peace out. I feel like we end the video the same way every time. Like, there's gotta be a new ending to the video. Should I do like a dramatic like roll-up shot to the sky or something? That's so cool. I need it. Oh God, his wings were right there. Jesus. Ah, that's sketchy. That's so cool. I'm sorry, I just ran into your lawn.